won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
What's up, everybody? What's up, Denny? What's up, everybody? What happened today? Kabooshed. Everything got kabooshed. That's what I'm talking about. One big capital kaboosh. Jeffrey, did you see these S&Ps here? Oh, my God. I had to do my podcast early. Look at this. Can anybody see my chart, first of all? Everybody can see my chart? Lauren Brinks? Everybody? Anybody can see my chart? Okay. Not yet. Denny, can you show my chart? Okay. Okay, good. Okay. So look at this pattern. We got completely kabooshed here after hours. When they were trading 82, you were roughly, you can see here, you were probably about 27 points from the 10-bar moving average. Okay. Okay. So if you see this here, you were from this low point to here, the 10-bar came in at 69.09, so 82, so 9. You're talking roughly 27 points. Then you get this push up right here. You see this, Jeff? Everybody? Okay, Ed Nolan. Look at this. Even and then kabooshed. So this is a double red short right here, the 5 correlating with the 15 and the 60-minute time frame. And you count 8 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. Another bear flag here on the overbought condition, but this is the best one here because of the negative MACDs, right? Okay. If you look at the NASDAQ, it gets absolutely kabooshed here. The NASDAQ right here, look at this, 25,038. Boom, right? Look at that, 22 and 38, 60 points. Then another push up here, mirroring the S&Ps, right? What a short. Okay, now the 15s reversed to sell. Okay, and of course, NVIDIA, what's NVIDIA doing? It's practically unchanged. Anyway, a great day in gold, a great day in silver. Okay, index futures, and here we go. All right. All right, let's see what this gold's going to do. Gold's positive. Okay, what's this? Okay, gold. All right, let's just see what gold and silver. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. You were short right here on 6,900. That's a beautiful short. All right. All right, let's just see what's going to happen here. Oh, gold's getting kabooshed here. All right. All right. How's everybody today? Hello. Anybody new? Rick Francis, how are you? Gold, it may hit my 50.39. Oof. 140 points. I don't know about that. Anybody new here today? Anybody new? Mr. Rockstar, what's going on, brother? All right, gold. If gold flips negative on the 15, we're gonna have to look to take shorts out here. Okay. How's everybody doing tonight? What a day. What a day. What a day. What a day. All right, let's just watch him here. What a day. All right. Oof. Kaboosh about to happen in the S&P? I don't think so. All right, there goes the gold. All right, I'd probably look to take a long on the gold if it gets down to the 80 and a half, 87 and a half range. Hello, everybody. Right back up. You shorted gold? Okay. So a lot of people have been coming to me and they're saying, hey, Stephen, you know, it's really difficult to trade with 2 micros, right? Because of the limitations. And I say, you know what? You beat them at, you know, then go get a bigger account. Get a 150,000 K account and do have 6 of them, right? Have 6 micros you can then go with. That's what I would do, right? That's what I would do, right? You know, I mean, it's hard. I understand. Hello, Ethan. How are you, brother? All right. I'm going to short this NASDAQ if it gets to push up here. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Two micros can ruin your life? Oh, I can't trade with 2 micros. Well, first of all, the pattern of the day, okay, was the 15-minute time frame. And this is the bear flag I called right here at 11:30, right here. Okay. This here had 1 or 2 scalp long that got stopped very, very tight. Okay, stops here, and then we caught the long, the third one here, and then this was the short of a lifetime right here. You see this here? So basically, the way you look at the market, Ed Nolan, is during the U.S. session, you need to look at the underlying ETFs. So if you look at the 60-minute time frame, negative here, right? 10:30, negative MACD. The 30-minute, you can see here, reverse to sell, negative MACD. So this is the first bounce right here. Okay, you see it right there. Gold, I would probably cancel the long. Wow. Did gold get down to 87 and a half?
I got the first.
You did?
Price, yeah.
If you're long the gold, just kick it out. I would look to kick it out.
Very well.
And then, yeah. And then here's the 15-minute time frame right here, Ed. You see this? You see this? This is the pattern. You had 3 negative MACDs here. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Good job, Iceman. So you see here, this is the monster pattern. Okay. Now I'm going to show this to you in real time here. Okay. Let me just change this. So, all right. So this is the pattern. So I said between 10:50 and 11:10. So here you got the short 07. Here, let me just bring up the NASDAQ here. Okay. Sorry. I'll bring up the NASDAQ on that. Okay. So this is because it will just show you. There were 7 great shorts there. Okay. All right. If the gold gets up to the 93 to even, I'd probably take a scalp short just now. All right. So here's the pattern right here. Look at this pattern. Okay. Look at this. So I said 1050 right here. 26, boom, 40. Now you don't short it until it makes a new high again. Here's the second one, 41, right? Okay. Drops to 20. Here's the third one, 69, drops 27. Here's the last one, 85. I was jumping up and down like a baboon on this one. Okay. And then I said, look out below. Okay. All right. there goes the gold dropping. It should have just been stay focused, but and then look at this drop. 2085. Look at this. Look at this. Are you kidding me? 130. And then look at this. 130. Then you get the 5-minute time frame reversing to sell, which is a double red short. Here's another bear flag we had. 09. Boom. Drops 50 plus. Okay. And then it just got absolutely kabooshed, though. Okay. Then right around here on this pencil up, okay, on this pencil up, you could take a scalp long here on the gold if it gets to the 75.5, 83.5 range. You could just take a scalp long only. Then you got this pencil up here. You see this pencil up? 24,908 to 24,981. All right. Then what you try to do, you caught the short right here. We caught the short. You waited. You got the covered the short. You wait for the pullback. We got this pullback below 85, 24,985, and then kaboom, up 100. Okay, up 100. And then we had another couple of shorts here at the end of the day. And then at the end of the day, I don't know what the hell happened, but the blank hit the fan, and you can see the S&Ps traded down to with a NASDAQ 24,955. It rallied. Look at that rally. About 80 points. Monster bear flag right there, Ed Nolan. You see that? Okay. The 15-minute time frame today, that was the pattern of the day because, Ed, what happened was the 15 reversed sell at 9:45 on my indicator forward. Then 10 o'clock, you got the 30-minute, and then at 10:30, the 60-minute. Okay. And then you short the first bounce on the 5, the second bounce on the 15. That bounce on now, like I said, between 10:50 and 11:10, 11:20, you had to take all the new highs and short them. Now I was on the MyFundedFutures television that during that time, and I felt that bam, it was a great opportunity. Okay, to just keep taking shorts. And I said after I'm off at 11:30, I wouldn't be surprised we start seeing the drop. Right? Who heard me today? Anybody? Keith Matthews? Anybody? Okay, anybody hear me today on that? Was anybody listening today on MyFundedFutures TV? Right? So, you get long the gold? That was probably before you, right? Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Now the S&Ps, just let you know, dropped 38 points on that. Okay. Matthew Azami, what happened? Okay. You heard me, M-Dot? We crushed it on that one. Okay, we crushed it on that one. Absolutely crushed it on that one. That is one of the most powerful patterns. When the MACDs are negative and they flip net on the algo reverses to sell, okay, gold just ran $10 here, okay, and then Bitcoin's getting kabooshed. I love it. Bitcoin's about to reverse sell on the 15. You're gonna have to short the next bounce. Who heard me this morning? Okay, Michael, great job. Good morning, Gustav. How are you? Okay. Anybody new here? Yep, I called the short. I said exactly when I was getting off, I said, look out when those 15 start rolling over. I said, I bet you it's going to happen after we leave. And that's exactly what happened. Oh, the NASDAQ just got kabooshed. First bounce on the 5. NASDAQ just got up to 93. So sorry, I was just teaching. I should have called the short there on the NASDAQ. So this technically is a strategy right here. So the 15s reverse to sell right here. You short the first bounce on the 5. Oh, my God, just dropped 20. All right. All right. Sorry about that. Is there a podcast tonight? Yes. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. It should be uploaded very shortly. Okay. But that 15-minute time frame was the strategy. Okay. Yeah, if these 15s reverse to sell, I would look to short the first bounce, okay? So it was part of this is why you need to be able to really be part of something great, and be part of the way to be part of the ultimate learning the experience, right? Through either what I teach during the day on my Discord, or if you want to do it through the MyFundedFutures. I'm on every Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30. Just that alone. NASDAQ goes from what, 80? Just that alone, you could probably made about 40 or 50 just short trades before the big cabooshin, right? The 11:30 bar, right? That 11:30 bar was an absolute Picasso, right? So it was a really great bounce. I mean, first bounce meaning the 5-minute candle. No, first of all, it's not a candle. Don't drive me crazy. I don't look at candles. No professional trader in my industry with 40 years of experience looks at candles. Okay, I'm not trying to be disrespectful or anything like that, but I don't look at candles. You see candles on my chart? I work with the biggest guys in the world. Not one guy uses candles. Okay, if they looked at a candle, they think if I bought a candle on a chart when I'm talking to one of the biggest traders in the world, the guy will look at me like I have 9 heads. Okay, all right. They're not green candles, they're green bars, catnip. Okay. And kaboosh, please, is not spelled Kaboush. Please don't ruin I'm in the Urban Dictionary. Kaboosh, kaboosh. Okay. Or ed, kabooshed. Okay. James Robertson, how are you, good buddy? What's up, good buddy? James Robertson. Hendricks is eating the bone. All right. Okay. All right, this NASDAQ, if NASDAQ gets up to the 24,000, 25,000 to 25,030, I would look to short it. What is the difference between a bar and a candle? This is a bar, right? Right here. And this is a candle right here. That's a candle, which I can't even look at. Okay. Here, I give it a better one. This is a candle. Okay. This is a candle. What the hell am I looking at here? I have no idea. Okay. No idea. All right. So this is a candle. I have no idea how to interpret this or look at it. My eyes are glued to this. Open, high, low, close bars, period. Okay. All right. Gold just got kabooshed. Let's see if these NASDAQ futures can drop. Well, no, I like them green. I'm not going to put them white. I could change them any color I want, but I like the green with the black background here, you know. All right. Look at my boy going to town. Oh, my God. All right. I should have 5,000 people now. Why is that? You're long the NASDAQ? Okay. Why should candles make a difference? Okay. So you're telling me if I put candles up, I'll have 5,000 people here? Okay. I'm going to do that one night. Okay. I'm going to do that. I'm going to see if I have 5,000 people. Okay. All right. So let's ready? I'll put the candles up. Here, where is this? Style. So let's just do candles. Okay. So there's candles. Okay. Now, where's the 5,000 people? I'll give it 2 hours. Okay. You're long from 990? Okay. The 30s and 60s. Okay, let's see. I think they're going to drop. All right. Yeah, but see, I don't see the open, high, close bar on here. Okay. I don't see it. I have to click on it. Whereas if I go back to here on the open, high, low, I can see it. Okay, I can see it here. See him here? See it here? I can't see it here. Maybe I'm crazy. Okay, I can't see it here. Okay. Candles are back. Don't be funny. Light the candles, right? Blow the candles out. That's what I say. All right. I can't look at this. Wicks. It's the same. No, it's not the same. The bars, when you're trading for 43 years bar data, how can I get used to this? And just because somebody says that, somebody says, well, you know, if you look at candles, you'll have 5,000 people. It should not make a difference. The dotted line is the price within the algorithm here. Okay. So I don't know about that. I mean, I really don't know about that. I believe that in essence, a pattern is a pattern. So there's two types of trading. There's pattern trading and there's scalp trading, right? Okay. S&Ps get up to the 96 to 02. I would look to short them. No, don't be. Oh my God. Look at this, Medi. Really? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Back in the house. Here you go. Look to cover the NASDAQ 95.05 if you're short here. Let's see. So now I gotta look at a wick. Are you crazy? So I gotta look at a wick. The dotted thing on the main chart. This here or this thing. That's a 10-bar weighted moving average. Okay. 10 bar. Okay. Okay. Hey, DL, what's going on, DL? Here we go, dropping. Now, now, what am I supposed to do with this thing? This little birthday word. Here we go, dropping. Here we go. I covered shorts 95 to 05. Here we go. Okay, now what am I supposed to do with this wick? Okay, that hurts my eyes. This hurts my eyes. My head's about to explode right now. Okay. Brian, help me out, Brian. Wiki the Ficky. Okay. You hear Hendrix in the background eating his bone? Good job, J-Mans. Nice short. Okay. Nothing happened to me. The guy said to me just now, if I put candles up, I'll have 5,000 people here. Okay. I'm not going to have 5,000 people here. Well, I just got 400. Uh-oh. I just jumped. Is that right? Did somebody just bot me? Did somebody just bot me? Oh, my God. I just jumped 300 people. Maybe I should just keep the candles up. Oh, my God. That's pretty insane. Well, Brian, did I just get botted? Hope no. Denny would tell me. Aaron would tell me. What is the dotted line in 15 EMA? This one here, it's a 10-bar weighted moving average. People love candles? No. Your generation loves candles. Okay, my generation, we look at bars. Right, bars, okay? You want to see NASDAQ go back down? There were 80,000 earlier this week. Where? People flocking in now. Oh, my God. Is that right? Is that true? Is this I just got botted. That's why. I just got botted because I'm using candles. If it's true, then I'll use candles. If we can stay over 1,000, I don't know. Denny, I need your help, Denny. Is this really true? Or am I getting botted? Denny says I'm not getting botted.
Nice.
Wow. All right. If I'm not going to get botted, I'll stay with the candles. Okay. I need a drink first. Oh my God. I got to stay with the candles then, right? Likes are not going up. I'm botted. Come on. Okay. Oh my God, 1,008. Come on. I'm getting botted. Aaron, am I getting botted? I'm getting botted. All right. Well, let's get the likes up then. Let's go. 1,000 people. All right. All because I'm switched to candles? You know what? I'll do it. I'll keep my bar data there. And for you all, hey, I'll short the gold here. 96 up to the 02 level. Okay. Oh my God. 1,400 people. Denny's saying I'm not botted. I think I just got botted. Now I'm getting botted. I'm the only viewer. All the streamers do. It's because they're all young people. They're not around as long as I have. Okay. I traded nearly 2 billion shares looking at bar data. Okay. What happened? 2 billion shares of my life. Can you imagine that? Now I'm getting botted. Okay.
So, Stephen, I'm up $300 on the night trading 2 micro golds. So
Get in there, Jennifer.
just so people know that it's not.
Jennifer just traded with 2 micros. All right. Anybody new here of the 1,800 people? Okay. If you like anybody like a 5-day free trial, okay, you could text me your full name and email, and you can start it on Monday. 914-500-7484. Yeah, 1,500 and 300 likes. Come on, guys. Denny, am I getting botted? Please. I don't know. I never got my account. 2 times 11? What do you mean you never got your account? Victrum Cruz. Oh, look at the NASDAQ get kabooshed. This is my first candle trade.
All right.
Damn.
Caught the candle trade.
You caught the candle trade. My man Barry got the candle trade. Yeah, D Money told me, he says, Steve, you gotta go candles. I go, D Money, I'm your elder. Oh my God. Oh my God, my first candle trade. So how do you do this here? 18 down to, wow, 22. Oh my God, I opened up a can of worms.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I got botted. Somebody botted
Let's
me.
switch it back and see what happens.
No, if I go back to candle, no, I'll leave it up. Respect, right? He got that decade chart up. Oh my God, Lauren. Change your candles to a 300 tick. How do I do that? You asked me that 300 tick. Let me see. Time frames. Trade station only goes to 25 ticks. But Jeff, all I know is I got 3,500 people here, but I think I'm botted. Okay. I don't know. That's fun. Listen. There goes the. Hey, if you're short the gold, you short the gold?
No, I didn't get grabbed.
You think, all right, cancel it. I cancel it. No, it's not 3,000 viewers. Come on. Where's Denny? I need Denny's help here. Denny, am I botted? Can you text me, please? All right. Anyway, you know what? I'm willing to listen. If you guys like it, why not? I don't know. I'll switch on and off, but we'll see. I don't know, almost 4,000. No, it's fake. It's not real. Tina, you think it's real? All right. So anyway, we're gonna do the raffle tonight. We're gonna do the raffle tonight, $9.50. Please sign up right now. You have 34 minutes to sign up, and make sure your email. You have to have an account at MyFundedFutures. Okay. All right. We're gonna do a little survey. Bars or candles? You got 39 votes. Steve, I don't know. They got me crazy tonight, brother. Okay? I don't know. I'm being botted. I know. I'm just playing along, James. Just playing along. Here, ready?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. What happened, Henny? You okay, Daddy? My boy, he's eating a bone the size of him. Oh my God, another green candle. What happened here? I know. I know, James. All right. All right. We have 111 votes. Let's see. In 3 minutes, there's a bars of candles here. I know. Don't worry. I'm just doing this for tonight. Have a little fun. It's Thursday night. I'm shot. You need a category for it doesn't matter? Nah, I hear you. I hear you. It doesn't matter. That is classic. I think that's 1997. I was driving when I heard that live. What about the hiking Ashi? What the hell's that, Ryan? The Hashi bars? What's a Hershey bar?
No,
Hashi bar?
Hiking.
Hiking Ashi. I know, Jennifer. Jennifer.
Okay.
I know James Robertson. I got the good stuff right here, good buddy. Right here. I'm about to have a swig or two. Damn. Oh my God.
I know.
Hey, go drink some water.
Friend.
Come on, go drink some water. Go drink some water. Come on, go. My dog's he's choking on a bone. 5,000 people? The guy said it.
Oh.
If I go to candles, I'll have 5,000, but it's all botted.
Oh my God.
Okay. All right. How many likes? 5,000 people. Is it real? It can't be real. No way to Johnny Walker. Take a shot. Is that Red Label? Never drank Red Label in my life. Okay. All right. So they just got cabooshed here. I have no idea how with this wick. Just like that wick. Okay. I got the button here.
It doesn't matter.
I got the button. What do I need that for? All right. 1 more minute. We're going to have a poll here. Bars or candles? Bars or candles here? All right. NASDAQ, S&Ps just got absolutely kabooshed. Right? Okay. I don't know. All right. Oop, what happened? Uh-oh. Aaron, I lost my YouTube. Aaron, can you bring me up for MyFundedFutures? I don't know what the hell I hit. It'd be kind of... Oh, my God. Aaron, can you help me? I lost my YouTube chat here. Aaron. Let me see if Aaron can help me here. I know. JD, they got me with where's Aaron? I gotta get my thing up here. JD, they got me using candles here. They said if there's over 5,000. Not in Chicago, New York I did. New York. Yeah. Yeah, I lost my YouTube by mistake, the chat. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. All right. So looks like the NASDAQ here ran up to the 25,015 and then just dropped, wow, 85. So it dropped actually lower than that, down to 72. So NASDAQ dropped roughly about 45 on that. Okay. All right. Sorry about that if it was delayed. All right. Gold pushing up here. NASDAQ pushing up one more time here. I can't read this. How could you read this though? But okay. He said if I don't know. I guess I got botted. Yeah. Yes, you can, John. You can win. Okay. All right. All right. Anybody have any questions here at all? 10,000 views coming. I don't know about that, 10,000 views, but I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I want to talk to Denny about this here. Anybody have any questions here at all? Anybody? Okay. A lot of new people here. And nice to meet you. GC Victim, I've seen you before. Joshua, Silverview. Silverview. Let me look at silver. Let's look at silver here. I can't believe I'm looking at. Oh my God, silver. Silver's in a bullish trend here on the fifth. Wow, it just got down to 88.50. Let's see if silver can drop. Look to buy it again here. 15 and 30-minute time frames are in buy mode here. You see this here? Nice little bull flag here. A minute, beautiful. But we'll wait. I have no idea. I got botted. Okay. 2 times. You got to text me 914-500-7484. I'll try to help you. Okay. Ask him to tell you the trip story. What left chart? Oh, how do I change the left chart? Let me see. Studies. Let's see. Oh, style. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see here. So the 15-minute silver. All right. Let's see what's going on here in silver. Oh my God. NASDAQ just ran 20, I mean. All right. Cold key. Come on down. I think all sessions are great. I don't think that there's one session. Oh my God, look at that push down. NASDAQ. All right. NASDAQ kaboom. Absolutely. NASDAQ just got kaboom. Well, all right. So if you look at the 5-minute time in silver, it just rallied here. Wow. Just rallied about 9.48 cents. So 15s are starting to turn up here. Let's see you get one more push down here. Same thing with gold. Gold, okay, is bullish on the 15 and 30-minute time frame. And let's look at the NASDAQ here now. This thing linked, or I got to do separate linked. All right, so NASDAQ got down to 72, I believe, here, and just rallied 30. Okay. Thoughts on gold? Thoughts on gold? Let's see here. Big number, 52.29. We're far from that. Gold right now is in a buy disconnect. That means the 15 and 30-minute time frames are in buy mode. All right. I think if this NASDAQ gets up one more push up, I'll look to short it. The 15s and the 60-minute time frames on the NASDAQ are in sell mode. So let's see here. What's the high here? 06. All right. Hey, Raztik. Well, I don't know if I'm saying it. R-A-Z, Raz Akito. How are you? All right. All right. So somebody made a bet and said, if I put on the candles, I'll get 5,000 people. But of course, I got botted here. So I wish it's true, though. We should have 10,000 people here a night. I want to see this NASDAQ get one more push up here. That's why I was calling a long on the gold before. I was calling a long down here. You can see the 15s and the 60-minute time frame. So gold right now is $6 from the 10-bar moving average, pushing up. NASDAQ just dropped 10 pucks. Gold just skyrocketed. I was looking for one more. Okay, the 5-minute time frame is about to reverse to buy. So now we look to buy pullbacks here. You don't want to see it keep pushing above? Why not? Okay, anybody new, please text me if you want a 5-day free trial. The 5,000 people, that would be nice, to come to my live stream free Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4. If you'd like to get a 5-day free trial, just text me your full name and email to my cell phone number, 914-500-7484. Armenian, I only know one word, my brother, a couple words. All right, I would take a scalp short on gold since the MACDs are negative here. Let's see here. MACDs are positive. So I want to show you another thing here. When gold was pushing down during the Asia session here, you see this here? Okay, the MACDs did not confirm the low right here. Okay, if this gold, you can maybe just, and then if you look at the 30-minute time frame, okay, the 30-minute, again, did not make a new low, okay? So what I'm looking at here, it just dropped, all right. Do you look at oil? Sometimes, a kaboom and then a kaboosh, yes. Hi from a reserve. Hey, from Argentina, what's up? Did we lose sound? No, I'm here. Okay. I no, did not. Okay. All right, I got a bunch of people texting me. Oh, Jesus, look at the NASDAQ. All right. I've got a bunch of people texting me here. Okay, nice to meet so many new people. Bull flag and gold. That's not a bull flag, my brother, Flash Gordon. That's not a bull flag. Okay, I'll show you a bull flag. Let's see. I'll show you a bull flag. This is a bull flag just because I traded it. Let's see, SN. I'll just do a stock here, SNDK. This is a bull flag right here. That's a bull flag. Sanders Grand, $10 today on that. If this gold gets up to the 07.5 to 13.5, 14, let's say 14.5, I take a scalp short on the gold. Just a scalp short. Okay. Looking for the pullback on the 5-minute. Now the strategy is you want to buy the pullback on the 5 because this is considered was a double blue buy, meaning the 5 correlated with the 30 and the 15. So now what you want to do is you want to get a pullback here and then a rally back up like that. Boom. You get short, Jennifer?
Yes.
All right. A scalp is a scalp. You look, oh my God, the gold just, oh my God, gold just dropped 20. I mean, NASDAQ just dropped 23.
Wow.
You got a short. I mean, you have a double red short. The 15 and the 30, the 15s and the 60-minute NASDAQ are shorts. Gold just got kabooshed. Okay. And as the NASDAQ did, NASDAQ just dropped 20. S&Ps just dropped 2. Okay.
It doesn't matter.
All right. All right. And again, all right. So many good people. Look at the gold drop, little scalp. I am looking at it. Quantitix Capital. All right. I got the gold. Look at this, these candles. Look at this. If we get 5,000 people tonight, I'll stay on the candle. What was the consensus of the poll? You have targets 5212. I'm all right, fine, but you got to look to buy pullbacks here. My dog's so happy. I love him to death. I know. I was looking for one more push up to NASDAQ. It stalled at 03. Doji. What is a doji? All these crazy names. Doji. Did we lose sound? No, I'm here. Aaron, they're saying we lost sound. I don't know if that's true. The market is crap. JR, the market's good, brother. Good. Good. Oh, my God. NASDAQ hit 73, you'd be down 30. You can see the 15-minute time frames, too. You can see the 15-minute time frames, you know, right here. The guy did say, if you put up candles, we'll have 5,000 people. But I think I'm definitely know I got botted. You know, this is the right here, 03 on the NAS. What's the high? 06? I can't even read it. 06. All right, NASDAQ's dropping. Gold just got kabooshed. Candles, Steven. I know, my good buddy Zill. Candles and bars. So what I have is I have the best of both worlds. I have the candles here for you, but I have the bars on my universe.
There we go.
So get in there, Jennifer.
Yeah,
that's what I'm talking about.
That's the way, Stephen.
Okay, Leo, the lion, right? But I never called a buy on the NASDAQ. I've been looking for shorts on the NASDAQ. Trader J22. Who called along? I didn't call along. I said, if you look at the NASDAQ, the 15-minute time frame just reversed to sell right here, Trader J. Right? Okay? You see that? M. Dot, you botted me. Okay? Okay, so the indicators are here. These are the indicators. This is the price action, okay? So Trader J, right? The algo reversed to sell here on the 15, and it correlates with the 60, right? Look at that beautiful bear flag on the 60, right? Here's the 15, and the strategy is what? Anybody tell me? 19. You short the first. Oh my God! You short the first bounce right here. Now you short the second bounce. I didn't call one long on the NASDAQ. Okay. I think NASDAQ could get to 950. Okay. So Trader J, I don't know why you would take the long, Baba. You short the first bounce, Kevin. Exactly. You short the first bounce after the 15 reverses to sell, correlating with the 60. You go into what's called a sell disconnect. Okay. All right. These trader kids don't have the money. $50 you could buy Mark Patterson. Let me just entertain them for tonight. Okay. All right. Hey. And plus, Mark, I got the bar data in front of me on the other screens. Okay. All right. Yeah. Why'd you take the long, Baba? Okay. NASDAQ's very heavy again. What's the low here? 50. It could test this low here, actually. Right? Only thing stopping the NASDAQ, if you do make a new low, this is the only thing that's going to support it to get a sharp bounce is these MACDs here. So if you do get a push down and you make a new low, expect a slingshot right back up. You got to have a buy divergence because I don't think these MACDs. You're long at 76. All right. Why do people bot? I think Papa Trump's going in. So the market rallied around what time was that? Market rallied, I believe it was around the 2 o'clock time period because there was news potentially, right, that Iran and the United States are making headway. I don't believe it because here's what happened. Gold was going up and so were the S&Ps. No. If it was really the other way around where Iran and the United States were coming to an agreement, gold would get kabooshed and the S&Ps would rip, right? Trader J, I did not call a long here, Baba. And I didn't call one long since these 15s reversed to sell. I just want to be clear. There you go. I think you're right. I think missiles will I definitely agree with you on that. I think missiles are gonna take hold. There you go. 84%, pretty damn good, if you ask me. Iran said they're not agreeing to terms. Well, okay. Well, let's see. We have 12 F-22s in Israel. We have, God knows, we have 2 or 3 aircraft carriers. We have a third of our Navy there. It'll be a softball field very soon. What happened this morning? You ever hear of the stock NVIDIA? Okay, it got kabooshed. Okay, and they made 68 billion. Okay, but I think people are realizing that it's like almost like, okay, it's like, okay, the order's already in. So how many? I don't think they can keep up the pace of 68 billion a quarter. That's insane. 68 billion, okay, on gross sales times 4, talking 207, $250 billion. Right, $272 billion. Okay, so yeah, I mean, the people of Iran, Papa Trump said anybody gets, executed, he's going in. That's it. There you go, Phoenix Insight. Good job. Done for the day trading micro silver. Okay, now you guys know there's a new contract coming out, right? In silver, right? Go drink some water. All right, there goes the NASDAQ. Go drink some water. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh my God, he listens to me. Listen to my moose. Do you hear that? Oh my God. There goes. There it goes. I don't know. These 15. So Trader J, you see the 15s here reversing? This was the shorts, Baba. Okay. Hello, Baba. Okay. Good boy. Listen to your father. Look at the mess you made. Oh my God. All right. He's a camoose. Mark, when you see him in a few weeks, Mark, you see how big he is. He's bigger than you. It's a new contract size coming in. It's like a micro. What is it, Jeff? A micro E-mini or something like that?
Like a super micro.
A super micro.
A mini micro.
There goes the gold right back up. See that? You want to buy the pullback. I don't know, Flash Gordon. If you're new, please if it's 5,600 people, please make sure you sign up for the giveaway. You got 10 minutes for the giveaway, and please hit the like buttons for MyFundedFutures. They deserve it. Look at the NASDAQ. I was just about to say maybe buy the NASDAQ here. Jesus, just ran 20. It's a new contract coming out. 60-minute bull flag on the NASDAQ. That's not a bull flag on the 60-minute. No, sir. That's not a bull flag. That's not a bull flag. Oy. 10 p.m., 9:50 is the giveaway, Jewish win. How do you sign up for the giveaways? Gotcha. Please look above, and there's a link that Denny sent. Okay. I wouldn't buy just yet. I want to see if we get one more push down. There's a link above, Space Moon Visions. Okay. All right. All right. All right. It's called the SIC, but there's no volume yet. And I don't know if the prop firm is going to allow you to trade it. Okay. You got to click on the link pinned at the top of the chat. Thank you. Vikram, just text me 91. Go to WhatsApp, Vikram. Okay, 914-500-7484. Just text me on WhatsApp and I'll send you the 5-day free trial. Okay, and that goes to anybody who's new here. Okay. Wow, 5,600 people. I wish it's true. Okay. Okay. 24,300. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to get. I'll tell you right now, if we go in, remember, just to give you a head, this is from experience. February, March, April, always. Oh, wow, 1,200 likes. It could be. Okay, Denny, 1,200 likes. February, March, April, okay, always the most turbulent times for the market. All right. And then the summertime hovers around, then third quarter, fourth quarter, right? Yeah, there's the link is in the pin section to sign up for the raffle. We do 10 giveaways. Damn it, look at them go. Damn it. I was just about to say buy them at 72. I'm gonna look for shorts if they go a little higher here. All right. All right. So gold is what's called a double blue, the 5 correlated with the 15 and 30. Let's see. Ekalishi, I can't even say these words. Looking for shorts. I want to see him go. I'd like to see one flush down. The 15's oversold. I just ran 20 though here. I think fading every move is probably the smart thing, but you got to wait either the 15s to get overbought. This is a beautiful bear flag right here. This is a beautiful bear flag. All right. Hey, Cool Joker, what's up, my brother? Where have you been? Okay. How are you, Cool Joker? Somebody today was telling me they shoveled 3 feet of snow up in New Hampshire. I'd kill myself. I don't want to see white snow. I don't want to see yellow snow. I don't want to see any type of snow, period. No snow. All right. Link comes at the beginning of the stream. So if you want to sign up for the 5-day free trial, the link is there. Okay. All right. What is the poll? Shorting gold SK? If it gets up to 10, I would. Or 09.5. It's short to go. I was short to go 09.5 up to 16.5, 17.5. Looking for shorts on the NASDAQ? Yes. I want to see it get a little bit more of a bought. Or if we get cabooshed, I probably look to buy them because you do have a buy divergence on the 30-minute time frame right here. See the MACD? So if we do get a cabooshin, the MACDs are going to not confirm the move down right here. You see that? I'm not sure if this is real, though. Okay, I got to ask Denny. I don't know. I'm just doing my job. But guess what?
It doesn't matter.
Exactly. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I probably look to short the gold if it gets up to the 09.16, scalp it. Or if you get a pullback, I'm going to be looking to buy the gold. Okay? Be looking to buy the gold here. All right? I'll be looking to buy the gold. Gold was called the double blue buy. Right? Crypto Crane, what's going on? All right. Space Moon Visions. Space Moon Visions, if you were part of the MyFundedFutures television, I called a short, okay, off the 15-minute time frames that dropped the NASDAQ 160, 150, okay? Pull back to where? I got to wait. Let's see if I got to wait for the indicator 3. Oh, my God, NASDAQ just ran 30. Okay. Thank you, Cool Joker. And guess what? Guess what? Right? Also, yeah, thank you. Thank you, Trim. Thank you. 1,300 likes. I guess this could be a real number, and I hope it is. There should be. MyFundedFutures is the best prop firm out there. The way they pay. I know Luke. I know Denny. I know Ash. These are great people here. Great people, right? I haven't shaved in a week. I love it. What's this? Oh, my God. What did I just get up to 02? Ay, just dropped 10. Okay. Mudu, I don't know. Mudu, I don't know. I'm shorting from 25,000. Okay. Vadimas I'd like to see a little higher though. I want to see these fives get a little bit more of a ball, but I just dropped 13 already. Trying to just be a little bit Spaceman Vision. If you want to give me a call, what's the word on the cafe? A matter of fact, I was talking to people before. I gotta. It's hard to find the space I want, but oh my God, Nasdaq just dropped. All right. If there was what 50,000K winners, what? You'd be announcing winners since last Sunday. No, there's only 10 winners. Period. Ed Nolan, I'm hoping that I get this cafe up, and I have the investors to do it. I just can't find the building. I was just on the phone with my realtor, and she says to me,
It doesn't matter.
I said, just find me a building. It doesn't matter. It's the power of the candles. Pac-Man, that's a t-shirt. That's a t-shirt, Pac-Man. It's the power of the candles. Oh my God. This is a day of infamy here. Right, Jennifer? We got Jennifer in the house here from the great state of Washington. I need a swing of scotch. So if you look at gold here, I'm only taking scalp shorts, which probably, again, because what you want to do, you see the positive MACD here, the 5 correlating with the 30 and 60. What you want to do, you want to get a pullback here, okay? You want to get a pullback here. I want this oscillator to get somewhat like this here, oversold, and then kaboom, to the upside. Gold's up 16. It could get up to 25 later. Again, you just don't want to, again, you got to go wide on the scalp short here. There's like a little mini bull flag here on the 3-minute. Hey, stop acting like a nut. You're going to give me a heart attack. Go drink your water. Go drink your water. Go drink your water. Get over there. Man, does he listen? Right? Man, does he listen? You hear my moose drinking his water? You can't do over trading, right? Yes, I have a free trader, Trader J. Again, and I'll say, here, cover the gold here below 10.5. All right, I would cover the gold. So here, 914-500-7484. I'll put it up for everybody to see. This is my number right here. You could text me. You could text me here at this number. And look at the gold, Jennifer.
Yeah, got that one.
You could text me this number here, and I'll send you a 5-day free trial. And you just start it on Monday, okay? Just text me your full name and email. Okay, what a cabooshin.
That was awesome.
There you go. Get in there, Jennifer. All right. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. There you go. There you go. Call the dog. Call the dog in fame. That's my Hendrix. What about Nasdaq? I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see if it goes a little higher for a short. Sell node taped. I don't know what that means. Yeah, so I'm thinking Just text you and then send me. Yeah, just text me. But you got to start it on Monday, though. Don't start it now. Okay, if you start it now, you're going to end up losing over the weekend because it counts days. Okay. Okay. I have people from all around the world: Australia, India, Pakistan, wherever. England, Austria, Germany. Okay, so Bitcoin starting to get overbought up here. This Bitcoin's a short, 67,450 to 850 range. I want to see the Nasdaq get a little higher. Anybody get the short on the gold? That was nice, though. That was nice there. Gold dropped about, I don't know, 6 or 7, right? I don't look at volume profile. I don't look at volume profile. Oklahoma. That's right, Brian. Get in there, Brian. So Denny's saying these are all bots,
Oh,
right? These are all bots. So somebody who said put up the candles, he botted me.
okay.
It's
back-
okay.
Back to the bars.
Yes, it's over. 71 telestrator. Yeah, if you missed the gold, next trade. Now you just look to buy the pullback here. All right, if Nasdaq, where's this Nasdaq? Let's go back to the Nasdaq here. Thank you. Nasdaq gets up to the 06 to 36. You got to go wide. I look to short it. These fives, oh, geez, I don't think you're going to get it. Let's see, maybe. Let's see if it gets up there. Nobody watched me today on the MyFundedFutures television. We killed it. Yes, the next play on gold is to buy the pullback on the 5-minute. Yes. Yeah, you're exactly. There's always a trade next. You never. Today I missed shorting the Qs by 4 cents. 4 cents. Okay. Here, I'll show you. I missed shorting the Qs by 4 cents right here. Is it this one right here? Right here. I was 609.70, 3 cents. I was offering, and look what happened. Kabooshed down $1 like that. It happens. Okay, it happens. Do I get pissed off? No, I don't care. There's 40 million. As long as I'm alive, there could be another million trades in my life. So what the hell do you think I'm worried about? One? Yeah. Does it suck that I missed it? Okay, but you know what the heck, right? There are times let's say, for example, there are times I hit it right on the highs, right? And then it gets kabooshed, or I caught like here on this long here, right? On this long during the day, right? They look at that, boom. That's $2.50 there, right? So, you win some, you lose some, right? All right, there goes the gold. There goes the Nasdaq. All right. Now you could probably take a scalp short on the gold, 14.5 up to like 22.5. Again, scalp to short, right? Yep. Let's see here. All right. So the obviously 9 o'clock, finito, right? 9 o'clock. You got a nice little bear flag setting up here. 9 o'clock. Well, I'm at 9 o'clock. I hope you guys, what do you call it? Sign in for the raffle, because after 9 o'clock, the raffle is over. OVA. Okay. All right. I heard it in a love song. Again, you could look to short 06 up to like 36.40 range. And you go, and so somebody said to me, how do you trade the Nasdaq, right? So you trade the NASDAQ every 10 points. You don't trade the NASDAQ. One guy says, oh, I short the NASDAQ every 2 points. I go, what are you, crazy? You're going to get killed, right? Little I got candles. Don't worry. All right. Heard it in a love song. All right, let's look to cover this here anywhere from the 97 to 07 range if you're short. Low, my P&L. Okay. Silver on the 15. Okay, the 60-minute time frame on silver just reversed to buy. Well, you got to look to buy pullbacks now on silver. Okay. Gold, big reversal, 52.29 and a half. Okay. Here goes the NASDAQ dropping here. All right. Go drink some water. Come on. Go drink some water. Hey, come on. Get over there.
Penny?
Come on. Let's go. Choking on everything. He's probably has to go pee now. He drank he drank half the ocean. Okay. All right. So
Are you okay, buddy?
look at the NASDAQ drop, Trader J. Get in there.
You okay, baby? No. I want you to have you choke on your tree.
Trader J, you never texted me, Trader J. If you want the trial. Okay, gold, lower your stops on the gold short. Look at the NASDAQ. You get the NASDAQ short?
Yeah.
Good job.
I got some too.
Good job. Get in there, Jennifer.
Yeah.
Good job, Trader J. Oh, I love my doggy. Anybody short the gold, NASDAQ? Look at the NASDAQ. 17 down. What is it? What's the wick here say? 17? Oh my God. I can't believe I got candles up. But I got botted though. I put the candles up and I got botted.
Yeah, it doesn't seem fair.
It's not fair. I gotta.
Yeah, it was 17.78 on the week.
Trader J. No, I said text me now, your full name and email. I'll send you the link and you start it on Monday. Right, Trader J? That's what I said to do. All right, 9:10. We got 40 minutes till the raffle. All right, we're gonna MyFundedFutures. Oh my God, look at the NASDAQ. Look at the gold. Double trouble. That's what my friends all call me. Double trouble. NASDAQ. Cabooshed. Oh my God, look at the NASDAQ.
Are you still in?
I told you, wait for one more push up on the 5. Can we text pics? What does that mean? Okay. Let's see if Trader J did. Look at the NASDAQ, Trader J. There you go. Trader J, you got to listen a little bit more carefully. Full name and email, please. Okay? Full name and email. Okay, Trader J? And I'll call you after the stream. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the gold drop. NASDAQ drop. Silver making new highs. Oh, my God. Look at this red candle. Oh, my God. What did I just say? Oh, my God. Little Roo. Put me in a home. Do something, JD. I don't know. Look at that. Look at that, Bobby Shamuda. Right? $1,000. This is, again, you got to thank MyFundedFutures. There really should be 5,600 real people here. Not whatever, 5,200 bots. You never look back, Johnny M. Cool. Never look back on a trade. Okay? Learn for it's if you sign up for the 5-day free trial, you get the live stream and the member Discord where you can chat for me. That's free. And then it's $4.50 a day. So $99 a month. And it also gets you the chart overlay that you see here on TradingView. Okay. Okay. You short, I'm good. Short gold still. Okay, I would lower your stops because you have a double blue buy. Look at NASDAQ right back up. Oh my God, this thing belongs in a cage. Look at this thing. What was the low here? I can't even see the low.
It's like
85. Just
yeah.
ran 13. Well, that's good enough for me. 17 down to 85. That's the,
It doesn't matter.
there you go. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, really. All right. Two times. If you got a problem with your account, please text me. I heard it in a love song. You got me crazy now, Ivy League. Heard it in a love song.
unflat, Jewish.
Can't be wrong. I'm the kind of man. Oh, I hung out with him. He was a good man. He's still alive, though. Likes to get away. All right. Not bad. Yes, I teach my chart overlaying mentorship. Okay. I also have people who travel from all over. I just see Jenna from Washington and Barry's from Texas. They come from all around the world. Okay. So, Fish and Fool, if you like to give me a call, ask me more about it. 914-500-7484. Today I thought was a really great day. I'm telling you, I love, first of all, really, in all honesty, okay, straight jacket. Send me the straight jacket, Little Roo, for putting candles up. But I'm botted. So it's funny, the guy says, if you put candles up, you'll have 5,000 views. I got botted. Okay. Silver is nonstop. You got to buy silver on a pullback. I would look to buy silver. If you look at silver here, you can see the 60s reversed to buy. Oh my! Now this is parabolic. If you want to take a scalp short on silver, you can still go here. Wait, if this thing gets up to the 61, up to 91.10, I would short. I would go wide on silver. But the 60-minute time frame reversed to buy here. MACD positive from below. You got to look to buy pullbacks here. Okay. And you want to buy gold on a pullback as well. All right. I don't know. Who the hell's calling me? Like crazy? Okay. Oh my God. Look at them drop. Look at this drop. 20 cents on silver. Justin, nice to meet you. Justin Gates, nice to meet you. So many new people here. Again, you guys should be taking advantage of my 5-day free trial. Really, you, buddy. Nice to meet you. 914-500-7484. Really, in all honesty. Okay. All right. The name is Freddie. Do I remember you? Yeah, I remember you seeing in the past. So I know you as a person. Not sure. NASDAQ 25,550 would be really nice. Damn. If this NASDAQ gets up to probably the 25,000, 20 up to 50. No, don't ask for a trial next week. Ask for it now, okay, and keep it on your phone and then do it on Monday. Because if you do it next week, you're going to have a line of people ahead of you, okay? So I'm just giving you a heads up, okay? Do I know how to trade or just talking? Okay, yeah, well, this guy's got to go. Denny, can you remove this guy, Stallionaire? Okay, please. I probably did, what, I don't know, 5 million trades in my life, probably, if I had to, if my best recollection. Okay, impeccable track record. Work with the biggest traders in the world. I don't owe you anything. Denny, can you remove this guy? This guy's got to go. I'm not dealing with people like this. Okay. Denny. Maybe I'll just do it. All right. You know, I got to tell you, I've been doing this now, what, 40, going to be 44 years. And there's always a person in the crowd, right? And, I do this to really try to help all of you, to give you the understanding of passing your evals, to take advantage of knowledge. And then you got some people, clowns like this. I don't let anybody get to me, and it's just, the amount of hard work that goes into this. It's the toughest game in the world. And to be able to be successful at it, I wouldn't be here. I cancel the silver short. This thing's going to rip. Okay. Gold setting up a bull flag here. Let's see this gold get down to like, what's the 10 bar? If this gold can get down to like the 98.5, 06.5, you got to go wide. I look to buy it. Okay. Doing this as long as I've done this, working with probably the best traders in the world, you say to yourself sometimes, why even do this? But I do this because I feel that there's no greater joy at the end of the day than to see people. You could probably lower the gold down to the 07.5 range, 99, 07.5 range, because you really want to see people who are struggling. Okay, and stop acting like, give me that thing. That's it. Get over here. Enough. Look at what you did to the bed. Enough. Okay, enough. I gotta deal with that, and I gotta deal with him. All right, NASDAQ gets up to the 15. I would just go 15 up to 35, 40 range. So basically, you say to yourself, in all the years you do this, I sat in a room by myself with Ernie and Anthony, and we were just trading all day long. Sometimes up to 5, 6, 7 million shares on any given day. And you say to yourself, right, like, it's you against the world. And then you come and you do this, right? And you say to yourself, the silver just dropped 30 cents, Jesus. Then you say to yourself, you try to do this, you try to help people, and then you try to figure a way that you just want people to just do well. So I'm watching CNBC many years ago, and they say, oh yeah, all day traders fail, this, that, another thing, bada bing, bada boop, right? And then they say, we'll see, all the bots are going now. And then you see, they say, well, in the end, you should just put your money in the market and forget you have it. And I'm like, no way. I was probably, what I was told, was the number one day trader in the world for close to 4 years. Okay. 97.4% hit ratio. And I still trade live capital today. And for me, the number one thing, okay, should have waited on the gold a little bit, but it's still going to be a good long. But what you got to remember is that when you're trading the markets, and I I mostly trade ETFs, and because the fund I work with ETFs and stocks. I mean, I shorted Microsoft near the highs and it dropped like $3.5, $4 like that today, just on the opening. Okay, so basically, what you want, okay. If this gold gets up to the 0408, I exit long. So you should get one more push up. But you get, look at the silver drop. Jesus, 40 cents on silver. All right. But here's the thing. The irony is you want people to succeed, right? That's what I want the most. I want people to succeed. I want people to really have to learn a business, because this is an industry that you can learn overnight. Okay, you can't be a doctor, you can't be a surgeon, you can't be a lawyer, you can't be a judge, you can't be a race car driver, you can't be a professional athlete overnight, but you could be a great trader overnight by just following certain rules and discipline. See, I got botted. See the bots? Stop acting like a nut. Okay, stop acting like a nut. Okay, so with that, you just really want people to understand that when you're trading the markets, okay, that
All right, Chad. I don't know what happened to Steven, but we're gonna wait for him to come back. Oh, I can't show my face on screen. No. No. There he is. He's back.
I don't know what the hell happened. All right. The candles did it.
Yes.
All right. It's because of the candles, YOLO. I said the same thing. There goes the gold. Look to sell anywhere from the 04, 08, 09. All right. Silver, just going to get another push up here. There goes the, you see 1520 range. There you go on the NASDAQ. Okay, 471 votes. What's the outcome, Denny? For the candles or bars? Candles or bars? I got kabooshed. Yes, I did. Okay. Then he said, I just got kabooshed. Just said that I love you. The market makers, right? Suave Futures. All right. Okie dokie. 3-minute time frame. Let's move the 5. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. And today we had, what was the outcome for the what was the outcome? Oh, this freaking gold. We gotta turn up here. What was the outcome today? Nasdaq's dropping here. Nasdaq just dropped 10, 9. You could start covering, lowering your stops. I think I don't know. Nasdaq will get kabooshed. It should. Shalom. Long gold. Yeah, I think this 15. Any push up on gold is going to make a lower high, though. 15s are getting way overbought. Turning down. So here, just to show you, okay, if you look at the gold really quickly, you can see why I was calling the shorts on the gold. Number one, you're making new highs here, and the MACDs are not confirmed on the 60, but mostly the 15-minute time frame. See that right there? MACDs didn't confirm the highs. I don't know if this is going to be a good one or not. You got to put stops in on this one. If I had to do a single lot entry, it would only be on a pattern like this. So anyway, see the non-confirmation here? That's why gold should have waited for the pullback a little bit. I still think you can get one more push up, but then you got to get out. Here we go. Let's see if it gets one more push up. You see how the new high, this is when we were calling the short here, the non-confirmation right here. Okay. So if there's one pattern, it would be this pattern right here, a single lot entry, a single or a double here. This is SanDisk from today. This would be the one that I love the best. Okay. This is SanDisk, and I would be here. So when this 30-minute time frame reverses to buy, the MACD is below the pivot. You want to buy the first pullback on a deep oversold condition into, once that 30 reverses, then you can go and take the long right here. Short gold. I think you can get one more push up. Then you can maybe look to short it. Okay. So if I had to do single lot entry, this would be the pattern right here. If the 60s reverse to buy, then you buy it again, right? Okay. Then you buy it again. But again, so the 30s reverse to buy with the MACD below, it correlates with the 15, and then you take the long right here, right into the 10 bar. And look what SanDisk did. 44 and change, boom, up 10, right? That's if you ask me to do a single lot, it's either that or when the 60s reverse to buy, correlating with the 30 and the 60. That I think is a really good pattern. Okay. Let's look at silver here right now, pulling in from the 61 range. Silver sitting up for a long here. Let me see, it goes a little lower here. Silver, the 60s now reversed to buy. So if silver drops down to the probably the 75, 80, 89, 75 to 90, 15, I look to buy it. Silver looks very strong here. That's a beautiful bull flag right here on silver. All right. How many points or how much time period? You probably want to hold. You don't want to hold things more than 40 minutes, right? That's just my opinion. 40 minutes is a very, very long time. Okay, which is 8 bars on a 5-minute, right? This gold should get one more push up here. Silver just dropped here from 61. Still think silver can rally here. Once he's fine. Look at the oversold condition in the positive MACD. There goes. There it goes. Come on. Now, if you're short the NASDAQ, let's look to cover below 10 here on the NASDAQ.
Nice one on silver.
What? See, even the gold 06 to 20 long. I didn't give 06 to 20. I said, look to buy the gold. I said 98.5 to 99.5 to 07.5. Why am I using candles? Because somebody said if I use candles, I have 5,000 people. I put candles up and I got botted. So larger positions, size, and shorter time frames for futures. 1,000 lot. I did 1,000 S&Ps and 1,000 NASDAQ. Good earnings, but the stock sold off. See the red. I got to change the red. Can I change the candles to colors here? Because I can't see the color, the print. This gold should get one more push up here. Anybody short the NASDAQ above 15? Silver just dropped 60 cents. Gold just dropped 14, 15. I should be up on, I should be on SK trading. How do you change the color? Oh, this is some bull flag. Wow. Wow. How do you change the colors on this thing? Settings?
Should go to candle.
Oscar, I asked you to call me last night. You had a question. I don't want you to think I forgot you. Look at the NASDAQ drop. NASDAQ just dropped 18. Who shorted the NASDAQ? You did, Trader J? That's 2, brother. See that? Now you got to get the silver to get a pop. I know. I set the short it up here, and then I said a couple scalp longs here. I still think you got to buy the silver. When these 5s turn up, I think it's going to be good. See, the price was too far from the 10-bar moving average on that one. So NASDAQ just dropped 20. Philippine, Hawaiian. All right. Mark Patterson, get in there, brother. Why? Cool Joker? Because it's called botted. We got botted. Whoever asked me to put candles up, now I'm about to go back to bars because now I'm pissed. Okay. Boom, kabooshed on the silver. There goes the gold. Unbelievable. The silver should get another push up here. Again, gold, you can look to buy it again here, 88 to 95. The silver is going to get a push up. Here we go. See, gold and silver, look at this, 80 cents drop here. I don't know, something just might have come out.
I think Trump was talking earlier.
Oh,
What, silver?
no.
Gold? Should rally from here. Oscar, text me so I can talk to you. Oscar. I'm telling you, silver is pretty damn good here. Hey, what was the poll? Anybody know the poll?
Yeah, 2/3 want candles.
2/3 want candles? Where do you see the poll?
It was at the top in chat.
Okay.
No, I don't put a lot of faith in polls.
Don't be poking the bear.
Mm.
Nasdaq just got, I think the market, if you want to see something crazy, okay, here, I'll show you. Look at the spiders, right? Look at the spiders here. Look at the spiders on the daily. You want to go back to gaps? You want to see gaps? Look at gaps. You got a gap here, right? The silver should be exiting longs between the 90, 89, 98 and 90, 17, 90, 15. Look at the gap here. Okay, look at these gaps below the market. They got gaps all the way down to 6,000. Here's the gap, right? Look at it. These gaps are going to get filled, I think, between now. Look at this gap, 6,000. Here's the big one. Look at the silver right back up. Gold, 95 to 98 exit longs. Should make a lower high here. I know. I'm just having fun tonight. There goes the silver right back up. Gold should rally. Look at this gap right here, 6,000. Here's another one. This is the big one, 5,600. That's the big one. That's the big one. Nasdaq just got kabooshed. And look at this one right here. This 5,200. I think there's one at 5,100, if I'm not mistaken. And that might have been it right here. 5,200 on the S&Ps. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow, but these gaps will get filled. Okay? These gaps will get filled. How do you know when they're going to make a lower high? I'll show you. Watch this. Ready? Okay? So basically, when you have right here, the MACD negative like this right here, so any push up, the algo reverse to sell, you got the 15-minute time. There goes the gold right back up, silver. And you got here, ready? So first of all, this is the 15s are turning down. The MACDs are negative here. The algo reverse to sell. You're still in the disconnect. You can sell. So you get a push up. It's gonna be it's gonna be a problem if you're long the gold. Okay. Okay. Now silver acted better. Silver just rallied off the lows. Okay. Silver acting much better than gold, to be honest with you. All right. Much better here. See that? Beautiful bull flag. There you go. The silver really was the nice one. Look at the silver. Just ran 50 cents. What was the low silver? I can't even read the damn thing. 79. Ran 40 cents on silver. So silver ran 40. Gold just ran about what? 5 off the lows. Okay. That was a scalp. Oh no, on the gold long, that was a strategy off of the buy disconnect. Oh. Gotcha, M. You sent your information over? All right. I'll call everybody back after. All right. A lot of new people here tonight. Thank you, Gotcha. I'll call everybody after the you can play, but you can just you can play on the silver. Just go to you just really gotta just honestly look at bigger time, maybe go with the 50K account, right? All right, silver. Look at the Nasdaq drop about 17. You get short the Nasdaq?
Yeah.
All right, the Nasdaq's got to be shorter when you have those 15s like that. You see that? Okay. All right. I would, if you do the 150K account, you're most likely going to have what? You're going to get what? 6 micros, right? Bitcoin. Jeff, you get the short on the Bitcoin above the 67,450. That just got kabooshed. But it traded up to 650 and then it dropped. There goes the gold finally right back up. All right, good job, Jeffrey. All right. All right. So I go to candles and I get kabooshed. I go to candles. All right. I think you can only do 6. I think on the 150K account, you could do 6 micros. Right, Jennifer? On the 150K account?
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. If this gold gets up to the 99 to like 06, 07, I would short it. Silver's got a much better pattern here. So silver, this strategy here is the first pullback on silver on the 5-minute after the 60-minute time frame reversed to buy right there. So silver is now in a positive trend. So what you want to do now, between now and whenever, you want to buy the pullback on the 15-minute time frame. When silver pulls in on the 15, it should rocket right back up. That's what I think. No, you just go wide. You just got to go wide. You just got to go wide. All right. Gustav, you get the long on the gold, Gustav? All right. We'll go back to bars. Why not? We got 15 minutes. Can we go back to bars for the next? You know what? Let's just keep it for tonight. Maybe I'll do an hour of bars and an hour of candles. Okay. Oh. Off the what? Shaft Marts? I don't understand what you're saying. Whose birthday is it? Exactly, Eli. Eli knows me. All right.
Let's go short.
Yeah, gold was going to drop. Oh, I'm back. Oh, my God.
What a relief. Because all the
Good job, Adam B. Gold, lower your stops. Oh, my God, I'm back. I'm back, Jeff. I can't take it. I'm the con, the man. Yes, J-Man's. Anybody live in the great state of Florida? A couple people last night. Yeah, I said the short to gold, 99.
Wow.
So, Johnny, I have to tell you a great story. There was probably one person. You're in the Panhandle. Come visit me in Florida, Jupiter. There was one person I was very close to saying, I think this is not for you, right? Florida's insane asylum. To me, it's the greatest state in the union, but never leaving Florida. Stephen Wilson, I'm with you, good buddy. I told Jennifer before, I ain't leaving Jupiter ever. So, oh wow. New York is the greatest state. You know, I used to live in New York. California. Yeah, I'm not going to get into this. Florida and Hawaii are the best state. In my opinion, where I live in my opinion, the greatest state in the union is Jupiter, Florida. Okay. So, I mean, the city is Jupiter, the state is Florida. All right. 2 minutes. And Jennifer's going to help me. It's Jennifer's last night, everybody. She leaves Saturday back to the state of Washington. So Jennifer is the one who's been helping me. And here's Jennifer. Okay. Jennifer.
Steve, I just passed that other eval.
You passed another one?
Yeah.
Go get him, Jennifer. Get in there, Jennifer. All right. Florida and Texas. I agree. I know. Hope maybe one day Jennifer will come back.
I would love to come
My Hendrix loves her.
Yeah.
Hi, honey.
With buddies.
Oh,
Come back and do it
Hi,
all over
boo-boo.
again.
you a good boy. We can't eat that much. All right. Ready for the raffles? Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. That would be covering shorts here. Good luck, everybody. All right. All right. Prisha trades. Prisha, Prisha trades. Prisha. I hope I'm saying it right.
Sounds good.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Prisha trades. Let's go. Get in there, Jennifer. Let's go. Prisha trades.
Come on, Prisha.
Prisha. Come in, Prisha. Is she here?
Yeah.
She's here?
I don't see it.
I don't see anybody. Danny Dan. There goes the gold. What a caboose on the gold.
I'm sorry, I don't see it.
Going once.
No, guess not.
Going twice. Ready? Next.
Oh, dear.
She's here?
No, I just said, oh dear.
Oh,
Sorry.
I thought you said she's here.
No, I'm sorry.
Augro 7. AUGRO 7. Augro 7. I hope I'm saying it right. Augro 7. Augro. Augro.
Nothing's happening in chat.
Oh my God. We'll be here till 10:15. Augro, AUGRO 7. Going once. Going twice. Next. Cindy Schroeder 5517. Did she win last night? Cindy Schroeder 5517. Cindy Schroeder 5517.
Yay!
She's
here.
All right. Oh my God, Jennifer's all excited.
Well,
Jesus.
we got one.
All right, Oh my God, Jennifer. All right, that's one. Oh my God. Nasdaq's got to be shorted between the 25,000 and 20. Hey, 71 Telecaster. Sorry, 70. Congratulations, 71 Telecaster. He's got to be here. Congratulations, Cindy Schroeder. 71 Telecaster.
Yes, here.
He's here. I know. I saw him today. Good job. That's two. Good job. Oh, a new one. Anouk 5573. Anouk 5573. Anouk 5573. Anouk 5573. Is he here?
Not yet.
No. Anybody like a 5-day free trial to my live stream? You can start up Monday. Just text me your full name and email. 914-500-7484. Anouk. Next.
Next. Aw.
What is this?
Dat boy cheesy.
Dat boy cheesy? Oh my God. They all got scared of Denny. DAT,
Here.
he's here. Thank God I don't have to say it again. Thank God I don't have to say it again. Jesus, my head hurts. ISK 4056. ISK 4056. ISK 4056. ISK 4056.
Here.
He's here?
Yeah.
Congratulations. All right. Mitch Hart 4582. Mitch Hart 4582. My friend just texted me. Let's see here. U.S. and Iran wrap up the most intense nuclear talks with no deal. More negotiations ahead. Mitch Hart 452. Mitch Hart 4582. Sorry.
Here.
He's here. How many is that? 5? I think that's 5. Brody Oliver 5969. Brody Oliver 5969. Brody Oliver. Are you here, Brody? Brody Oliver 5969.
Yes.
Congratulations. All right. Next. He's here?
Yes.
All right. Brody, congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Heard it in a love song. AJ 9M33. AJ 9M33. I like seeing new people win, though.
Yeah.
AJ 9M33. AJ. All right, this Nasdaq's got to be shorted up here.
AJ is here.
AJ, congratulations. I think that's 7.
Sounds good.
Great job, AJ. Congratulations, AJ. Next. Let's see. KYLED 1201. KYLED 1201. KYLED.
Try Kyle D.
What?
Kyle D. 1201.
Kyle D?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, Kyle D. 201. Oh my God, I'm going. Kyle D. 201. Kyle D. 201. Look at the silver rally. Oh my God, on that bull flag. Kyle D. 1201. Kyle, come on. You here, Kyle? Anybody? Kyle D. Kyle D. 1201. Are you here? Next. What the hell is this? Elakadu 12. Lakadoo 12.
Here.
He's here. How many is that? 8?
I think
9?
oh, God.
FI Rev 1.
F1.
F1 Rev 1. Jewish one, is that for me? I hope that's not for me, Jewish one. F1 Rev 1. Silver.
Yes, here.
He's here. Congratulations. I think that's 10, right, Denny? Oh, no, 9.
Rolling more.
Uh-oh, looks like that's 9. Hey, Jack Z's. Kim Capital. That's easy. Kim Capital. Let's end it with a Kim Capital.
That's right.
Right? Kim Capital.
We got you, Rev.
Rev 1, you're in. Kim.
Kim's here.
Kay, congratulations.
All right.
All right. I think that's it, right? That's 10.
Yeah.
All right. I want to thank the lovely Jennifer. She's going back to the great state of Washington on Saturday. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank Denny. I want to thank Ash. I want to thank Luke. I want to thank all of you. I want to obviously thank MyFundedFutures. To me, this is the greatest prop firm, the greatest prop firm. And you guys really, you understand the amount of work that's put into this, the amount of time Denny, Aaron, myself, and the whole team of MyFundedFutures. Very proud to be here and be part of all this. And thank you all. And as always, as I always say, each and every night, God bless you and have a great day and tomorrow. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. I'll see you Monday night.
Yeah.
Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.